Hey guys, Seaton HVAC here. So, just a kind of a late night post tonight. I had my Seahawks game tonight, so I'm up a little late. Had a couple beers, but that's not what this is about. So earlier tonight, I don't know what time it was. It was probably 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, my time, Pacific time. There's a couple guys on here trying to intimidate on YouTube, and that's not what YouTube should be about, honestly. Uh, it really gets to me. It really does. And I've always been civil and not mentioning names, but you know what? I have to at some point because I think these YouTube channels should quit being promoted and quit getting followers because these guys are kind of dickheads. They really are, and they're a little jealous that there's new guys coming in here. So let me start this off by saying there's a couple good guys I really like that are moving into the realm of YouTube HVAC channels. Shorty HVAC, he's a kid, but he's doing what he's got to do. Rhodes HVAC's a really good guy. I think he's down in the South too. He's Tennessee or something. But he's just trying to do his best. But when the guys that have been on YouTube for 10 to 12 years start getting really defensive about new guys coming in because they're afraid they're going to steal their views, is pretty pathetic, honestly. And one that is a real big POS, and I'm going to call him out right now, and I know you guys want me to do this. It's not Mikey Pipes, because he leaves me alone. That guy leaves me alone. Okay, let me start off by saying who I think the good ones are. Steve Lav, HVAC guy. There's a guy called AB HVAC. There's a bunch of them. But there's one asshole that won't leave me alone. He's kind of been stalking me. He actually texted my phone. And I thought he was trying to be nice. And then he puts a bunch of message on my channel thinking I'm deleting his messages. He's not that important to me. I got my own life going on, man. You're not... He's kind of got the God complex. And his name is Ted Cook. Anti-DIY HVAC. That guy is a pile of shit. And he better fucking leave me alone. I got no time for him. So, in that mold, another guy, I think they're teaming up on me. Because another guy posted on, his name is Shearer. That's all I'm going to say. Shearer HVAC. Shearer. I'm not going to put his name. Tried to back Ted up, and I actually text messaged him and said, hey, I'll call you at halftime of my football game tonight, because I had the Seahawks 49ers game. I'm a Seahawks fan. He was talking to me for a bit. He texted back and forth, and what do you call it, narcissistic thing was, I said, hey, is this Joe Shearer? Hey, it's Josh Seaton. I want to talk to you. He goes, yep, the one and only. Whatever. And I go, hey, so I'd like to talk to you. Hey, I'll call you at halftime. He disappeared on me. He disappeared. Why disappear? I was going to call you. Do you want to talk to me or not? But the saddest thing of the whole thing is these guys try to attack me when I made a post about trying to help Florida hurricane victims. I got a GoFundMe out there. I got numerous shorts just saying, hey guys, come on and give some money to my hurricane relief. It goes to a nonprofit organization in Central Florida. And these guys are attacking me. Ted starts saying mean stuff about how I'm deleting his comments. Dude, you're not that important to me. I'm going to give. I don't even have that much money to give. You probably have more money than me. You bragged to me a few days ago about how you're making 2 mortgage payments a month on your YouTube. And that if I don't pull my head out of my ass, that you're gonna ruin me on YouTube. That's bull crap, man. You're a jerk. Ted Cook's a jerk. I got nothing. And Cher might be there. He hasn't said anything to me, but I'm gonna say he might be. The rest of you guys I got no problem with. We're all in this together, and I've said that many times. So I'm gonna post this tomorrow. I'm gonna schedule it for probably at 2 p.m. Pacific time. So I hope you guys watch this and understand what's really going on here. And I hope that these guys pull their head out of their ass, because that's not the way you should do things. And, you know, just because you've been doing videos for 10 to 15 years, as opposed to me for doing it for a year, doesn't mean you own the internet. God bless everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. I got lots of stuff I'm doing tomorrow. Ted's probably sitting back collecting his double mortgage payments.